If you own a Smith & Wesson 22A, like the one displayed over here, you might want to, my recommendation is this Federal bulk ammo in the blue box, because before I was just using the Remington Golden bullets, and after 40 shots I was having failures every other shot, so that wasn't too good. But Federal ammunition in this blue box kept going without fails for even after 100 plus shots. So I want to thank Gunwild 1 for the recommendation, as well as Mr. Firearm Guy, who also recommended this ammo. It certainly works well in the Smith & Wesson 22A, and I recommend it too. As you can see, this zombie has been shot by mostly 22s. Headshots right there. Look at those tight groups. Some of these are in rapid fire, and just for kicks I tried to see if I could disarm him. A few misses in there, but you know, mostly they're in the fist, so could really make an argument for defensive use for a 22 if you could put your shots as tight as this. So one more thing I wanted to share with you today is the sight enhancement that I upgraded on the Smith & Wesson 22A, because originally this pistol just came with these plain black sights that are kind of hard to track. So to just assist my training, since my other pistols have a 3-dot configuration sight, I installed these Night Sighter dots, 2 in the rear and 1 in the front, just to make it stand out better. And it works very well, as you can see, as you've seen in our zombie target. So anyways, that's about all I have today, and I thank you again for watching, and be safe.